Yeah, if your hosts are not active but your agents are active and gaining income on the Poppo live stream app, you are gonna get paid. In fact, that's where the money is. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So just as promised, I have another video for you today on agents. Yeah, being an agency on live stream apps that pay you all legit money. Live stream apps like Poppo live stream and Nikki live stream. How to be an agent, and not necessarily how to be an agent, how to operate an agent account. Yeah, how you earn money being an agent. If being an agent is necessary or preferable, you're going to see how the agent portal looks like, how you add your host, how to sell coins or how to transfer coins to your host, all of that things that are beneficial to an agent on the live stream apps, you're going to learn in today's video. But before we go straight into that, I want to use this medium to appreciate every one of you that have been with me from the beginning of my journey on YouTube. You've been with me, you've encouraged me, you've engaged on my videos as a whole. Most of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Yeah guys, we are now 1,000 amazing family on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for those of you that have been taking your time to share my videos, that have been taking your time to smash the like button, that have been taking your time to drop wonderful comments, that have been taking your time to just engage on my videos and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. So I want those of you that are new to this channel, those of you that don't know what this channel is all about, okay, on this channel I teach you how to make legit money. Any info I get on the online space that brings legit money, where you do one or two things that you need to do, that you do one or two things for you to earn money, like a passive income. Yeah, most of them I've been doing on my channel has been live stream apps like Poppo live stream apps, Nikki live stream apps, and other videos that you can check on my channel. Not necessarily live stream apps, but they pay money. Yeah, so if you don't want to miss out on any of these, do well to smash on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and always stay updated on whenever I post any video on this channel, because you will be the first to get notified. And yeah, make sure you guys watch the videos from the beginning to the end, to smash the like button and drop a wonderful comment saying thank you for the video. I have gained something from it, and I really appreciate your effort. With all that being said, let's get straight to the video. So this video is going to be a little bit long, not that long. It contains many important things you need to know. It's more like teaching you guys and show you practically how all this works. But it's only those that really want to get information from this video and are really willing to make money from being an agent that will watch from the beginning to the end, so you don't miss out on any details. Very important. If it becomes too long, and for that reason I'll need to split the video, you will know at the end of this video. And just so you don't miss out on the other part of this video, hit that subscribe button now. How to be an agent. Firstly, you have to take the link in the description, the first link in the description. You can take it to become an agent. So those of you that are under an agency, if you know you are ready for you to, like, if you're ready to become an agent, you need to like quit the first agency first in order for you to become an agent. If you click on the link, it will tell you that you should leave your first agency, your previous agency, in order for you to become an agent. And yeah, you don't just say because of you feel that okay, there is a little pay from agency, you just want to dive into being an agency. You don't have to. You cannot become an agent if you're on the low level. When it comes to live stream level and wealth level, you don't have to be on the low side. From level 1 to 3, you don't have to be on that side. You can actually, if you are new and you just want to start up as an agent immediately, you can download the Poppo live stream apps. The links to download all the apps that I'm mentioning in this video is in the description, so you can take it to download it. You can download the app. Immediately you download, you register as a female or as a male, anyhow you want to do it, and you can then take the second link for you to become an agent on the Poppo live stream app. Then you can then look towards you getting coins to increase your level and all that. So if you're on a very low level, it's very possible that Poppo might remove you, especially if you're not active. So you won't need to be active. You need to have hosts. Those are the requirements for you to become an agent. You don't just say, okay, if I become an agent then there will be money, that will just become an agent. You will be I think you will be you will be removed as an agent. Your agency will be terminated if they found out that your account is not active or you are not active. You understand? So you have to have people that you know, at least 10 hosts that you know that they will be under you, they'll be active. You understand? And you have to be active also. Be very very familiar with how the Poppo live stream app works, everything you need to know, so you can be able to like put you can walk through your host. You can be able to explain everything they need to know, because it will not be nice that you're an agent and you don't know what Poppo live stream app is all about. How are you going to tell your host this is how the app was? What do you have to tell your host when you are an agent? So although if you know you don't have much time for the explanations, that is why most all my videos are on the channel. You can just click on the three dots where you have the share link. You'll be able to get the link that you can share to them, and they will watch the videos to understand how all these live stream apps work. So that aside, so firstly, if you're not an agent yet, you become an agent using the first link in the description. Okay, so after that, you have to have people you're going to inform about the Poppo live stream app that are going to join you, that are going to be under you, you know. And yeah, just note also that there is agency events that you need to engage in, like targets that you need to engage in on the app. Anytime they give notifications on the app, you'll be informed anyways, maybe concerning agency salary, concerning agency events to get a particular bonus. Always stay at alert for that too. And yeah, you get paid also if you invite other people to become agents. For example, like if you use the link in the description, if you become an agent, you have the chance to use your own agency invite link to invite other agents who will become agents. And yeah, you get paid through that means. It may not be much. Okay, that's why I keep saying you have to have a lot of people, because only those who have a lot of hosts, only those who have a lot of agents that they invited to Poppo live stream app, that they can be able to make at least from, let's say, $10 in a week on like that. So it depends on how active those people you invite are. And yeah, there's a very tendency that Poppo live stream administrators are going to remove your agents if they are not active. And also, if you are not active, your agency might get terminated. So you need to know all that. So let me take you to the app now. I'm going to show you how the agency portal looks like, how to add your host, and every other thing you need to know. And please do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if this video has been of great use to you.
So this is the Vone app I told you I'm making use of, which is the twin, like exact replica of Poppo live stream app. So you can either use Poppo live stream app or make use of Vone application. To download them, you can get the links from the description of this video. All right, this is my dashboard. Oh no, this is not my dashboard. This is what I see when I enter the app. These are people that are live streaming currently. So I'm just going to go to the last interface here at the end of this stuff for me to be able to see my dashboard. This is my dashboard. So it's totally different from Poppo, but if you can navigate around Poppo, you'll be able to check out for all this in the Poppo live stream app. Everything is just as it is in Poppo is the way it is on Vone here. So now the first thing I'm going to be showing you is the invite. So if you want to invite somebody, just click on where you have this invite here. All right, it's going to take you to where you can invite. So you just copy your where you have invite. Now you click on invite now. Okay, you'll see your unique link you can copy for them to download this app. That's if you are to share to your new users that you are going to bring to this application. All right, that as an agent, you're going to invite your host. Okay, so you're going to make use of this link to invite them. If you want to use these images, you can just like save them and share to them. This is just for promotional purpose. So that is it. You click on you copy this code, this link that you have here, you copy it, and then you send it to them. They must use it to download the app, because when they use it to download the app, you get rewards for every of their activity on the app. For example, live stream, for example. Okay, as you can see, claimed rewards here is the reward I've claimed from some of my hosts that registered this app through me. Okay, some of them did 1 hour live stream, did 3 hours live stream, and I got $1 each from that activity. Okay, so not all my hosts are active. Do you understand? So what thing I know is that when you invite one person to do his or her tax, especially the female, to do a tax as a live stream tax, you get paid $1 just for 1 hour. So for you to understand this invitation, which is exclusive, which is for everybody. Okay, everybody can engage in this invitation to get reward. So this is the details as concerning that, but I'm not going into that. Okay, you can just click on this space at where you have rules. You'll be able to understand how it works. So the person invited hosts broadcast for 1 hour within 7 days. That's in the first, is on her first week on the app, she broadcasts for 1 hour. If she does a live stream tax for 1 hour, you get $1. I received one from one of my hosts today. I'll just quickly take you to that place. You can see my notification when it says any reminder. Congratulations, this person you invited to broadcast for 1 hour. You have and I've gained 1,000. That's $1 rather. This is 10,000 points. So that's all about the if you want to invite your host to join the app. So that is for the invite section. So I want to click on where I have agent here, or before I click on agent, because that's where I have the whole stuff. So let me click on official activities. Official services is only available to those who are on level S as an agent. Level S is the highest level for an agent. This is different from the normal web level and normal live stream level. This is the level S. Level S, I will show you where you have level S now for you to understand. So you can be able to chat with the main admins on the app as if you are in level S. Do you understand? If you are a level S agency, you'll be given the opportunity to chat with the main admins that we attend to you ASAP. I remember one of my hosts complained about some scammers that came to scam them of their money, of pretending that they want to do a particular amount of exchange and like that, but they scam them of thousands of coins. They sent me proof and the ID number of the scammer. I sent it to these people here, and they banned the person immediately after getting enough proof to justify the fact that the person is a scammer. The conversation of the person and the victim. Do you understand? The scammer and the victim. They banned the person in ASAP. So yeah, you can get help from the main admin of Poppo live stream app. So that is all about this space. So I think the rest here, you guys know the rest here, your fan club and the rest. So let's just go straight to the agents. This place where you have agents, that is the main thing on Poppo for agents. This is where your portal, this is the agency portal where everything is being recorded here. Everything about your agency, your host, you get notification through here, how to transfer coins or to host. Everything is here. This is your agency portal. So here you have where you can add the host. You just ask the person that you want to, the person you refer to the app, you ask them to give you their user ID and their host code. If they can't add themselves manually, you will be the one sending them invitation through this means. Okay, so you just tell them to click on settings on their app. All right, on their dashboard, they click on settings and click on where they have joined the agency. If they cannot manually add the your ID, yeah, because there are two ways that you can add host to your agencies. It's either the host copies your ID and paste it where he or she has to join the agency, or you request for their user ID and their host code, which they will see in the join the agency section of their dashboard. They'll be able to screenshot it and send it to you. Then you can invite them and they accept through their inbox. Okay, so that's how you add your host. Here you invite agents. You click on where you have invite agents. You can see your unique invite agents link where you can copy and send to those that are ready to become an agent. And if they're active, they do a lot of things on the popular stream app, especially something stuffs like play games, gamble, exchange gifts. You get paid, especially if they are very very active. You get paid. You don't even need thousands before you start getting paid. You maximum, if you have like at least 10, even 2 can be very active and you get paid through that means. You understand? So that's how to invite agents. Okay, so here you have info, monthly commission for agency invite. You have the info of those that they give commission for, those that their agency are very plenty, those they invited are very very plenty and they are active. They give commission to the superior agents. For example, I'm a superior agent of my own because I have invited a lot of agents. Okay, I've invited a lot that many of them have been disqualified. You understand? Many of them have been disqualified, while some have been added. You understand? So if that's why I'm the superior agent, because I'm the one that invited them. So if they invite any audience, like for example, if you invite um agents to join this popular stream app, you are a superior agent. Do you understand? So it's as simple as that. So this is just like the list of people that they rewarded for agency rank, agency invite rank and all that. So host application. Maybe the host applies to leave the agency, you can remove the person from this host application. Where you have reward, I think maybe probably where you have a chance of receiving a reward, you can just click there. If it gives you a notification to get your reward. The activity center is let's click on the activity center. Okay, so I think it's activities that they have for agents here. So that's what you see. You get info from that place. So now this is where I'm talking about levels that you need to be.
See you in the part 2 of this video. Hit the little bell icon so you don't miss it.